Hello, friends. Welcome back. Bye bye. No, not to you guys. I want to say bye bye to PowerPoint. Why? Because in Canva, now you can create this awesome presentation. Now, I'm not sure if you guys realized all these slides that I've been showing you guys until now from the beginning, all these presentation were made in Canva. See this animated and very colorful presentation you can make right on Canva. To make this kind of presentation in PowerPoint, it's not that simple, and you need to purchase the PowerPoint from Microsoft and whatnot. But if you have Canva, you can create these very easily within a few minutes. And I'll show you step-by-step process from now on for any sort of presentation. If you are creating a course, or in fact, if you are giving a presentation in your office or somewhere as well, right? You can create this presentation from scratch in Canva without paying anything extra. I love this. You can make it personalized. You can put different color. You can make it. You can put animation and whatnot. It's just really awesome. So let me show you how to do it in Canva from scratch. Let's go. So as always, we need to come here to start, create a design, and you can search for presentation. Right here, there are a few different sizes, but I'll just go with this one. Or alternatively, you can just come here right on top. You can just click here. So either one is fine. So let's click on this one right here, presentations, and we'll just pick anything from these templates. See, all these templates are given to you, right? This is mobile first presentation, talking presentation, you have just regular presentation. So all these templates are already predefined. And if you want to see something, you just click on this right arrow and it'll give you all these different kind of presentation templates, right? So you can choose anything from here depending on what you want to create. Right, so let me. So since we're going to work on 16 by 10 ratio, this is the templates. These are the templates that they have given us, and we can sort it by, you see all these different filters, as you can see. More minimalist, corporate, right? And you have view more. You can select many other different type of templates as well based on your category, right? So, and then you can choose by color also. If I choose yellow, it'll give me all the templates that has kind of yellow background or something yellow on those template, right? So you can select any of those and you can start working from there. There are tons and tons. So if you see this kind of crown, this is for pro account. If you don't have pro account, you might not be able to use these templates, anything that has pro, but there are plenty of free one as well. But I highly recommend pro, like I said from the beginning. If you are using it regularly, the amount of money you'll pay to Canva, it will it will return in many folds. So you can select any of these templates from here, right? By the way you get to this filtering option, let me go back. I think I did it a little bit quick. Let me just go back to home, and then from that home screen, just going to quickly show you how did I get to that filtering place. So presentations, and then from presentation, once it comes in, so if you click on this arrow, it will just show you on the right. But if you go under select, see all, it will bring everything with that filtering options. All right, so you can just select anything from here, and here are your filtering options. Based on this, you can select the category that you're looking for, and then you can go from there. See, if you were to use PowerPoint to find this kind of templates, it's not possible, right? They don't have so many templates. And where would you find this kind of filtering option, right? Starting something from scratch is very difficult for everybody. If you have blank PowerPoint slide and you want to start, let's say if you have a topic in mind, you want to create a presentation on that topic. To create on PowerPoint, you have to sit and think what kind of image, what kind of animation you want to put in there. But Canva already gave you all these templates based on this category. You can just filter and start from scratch. Even if you don't use any of this template, you can select or at least look at it and design hack. Remember, we are design hacker, right? So you can select any of those and build on top of it, change different color and whatnot. But if you don't like anything, at least you can go through all these templates and you can bring some ideas to make more eye-catchy PowerPoint presentation. Well, it's not PowerPoint, right? It's Canva presentations. So let's start. We'll select one of them and then we'll start working on top of it. Okay. So again, we'll select a theme, whether let's say business or maybe education. Let's go with education since we are creating a course. You can select that one. But you can see you have all this theme. You have school, keynote, startup. Many of this. You know what? Let's go with startup, right? We'll go with startup business, and then we can select a color. By now, one of my favorite color is yellow, so I'll just go with yellow color. Sorry if you don't like yellow color. You can select whatever color you have. And if any of these are not your favorite color, you can just go from here and you put your color number here, and then you can select it from there as well, right? So that's your option 2. But let's say you want to create something. You see this one, I used it in my one of my presentation slides, just this first one. So let's say we want to select this one. Why not, right? All right, so it's right here, and I just changed a few things. There are 26 pages, as you can see, right? You can apply all of them and then start creating, like you can start updating those information based on whatever you want to select, or you can just use one of them. So let's say if you want to just apply all 26 pages, you'll see right here, all these are populated for you. So you can go one by one, and then from there you can select different one and you can put different information as you can see. So this will be perfect slides for lemonade, I guess, or maybe benefits of eating lemon, something like that, right? And then if you click back and you come here also you can search for different topics, right? Let's say if I want to do business now, right? I can just look for business templates and it will give me all the business templates they have. And I can again search by color. All right. As you can see, all the yellow color template or something that has yellow in it as a tag on their metadata, it's giving me all of those. So you can select from there as well. But now let's go back and start working here, right? Say hello there. So I'll just select that one. I have to ungroup it, and I'll cover what this ungroup means, right? Later on. You'll probably need that feature very often. You'll be using that. And then I will change the color of this background as a black, and I'll just have this yellow is fine. And then the way I kind of made this text pop up a little bit, I just selected here and came here, effect and lift, and I just increased it so you can see the black shade in the back. I'll decrease a little bit. So there you go. And you can do this one as well. Just increase a bit so it's more visible, right? And then comes the animation part. What do you need to do? So right now it's a static slide. You can use this one as well, no problem. If you want to change those image from the back, the lemon, you can just click on this and delete on your keyboard, and you see the lemon is gone. That was a separate element. And the way if I want to bring it back, I can just press Control Z on my computer, and I think on Apple is Command Z, if I'm not making mistake. It's been a while I have used Apple, but Mac rather. So that's how you will do it, right? But now let's go and use animation. So we'll have to come to element and search for some animation. Let's see. I'll search for a keyword blob. So this is a keyword blob that gives you this kind of design, and again we'll cover this keyword in coming videos. But now let's say if I want to pick something animated, I can just come here and filter, and as you can see, it's animated. So if you want to add this one to your slide, you can add this and it will be just animated presentation, right? Any of this. So you can search for something that you like and you can put that there. But let's say if I want to put something else, right? Let me take this one for example. But this one is covering the whole image, but I want to have that yellow, but I want to see this blob as well. One thing you can do, you can just decrease the opacity on this. Okay, you can decrease the opacity, and as you will see right now, when I play it, it's sitting on top of my yellow. That's why yellow is a little bit darker right now, but you will see this the animation is playing on the background. Let's see, present. So when I'm presenting this, you see the animation is going on in the back. Not bad, right? Okay, now you see it played once and it stopped, right? The animation is not going on. So you have to click on play again. But when you are presenting, you don't want to keep on coming and hitting this play button, right? You want this to continue as you're presenting. So for that, let me show you the trick. What do you need to do? You need to click on that video and you come here, playback, and you see this one is unchecked. You have to click this one, loop video, right? It will autoplay when you start, but if you want to loop it, meaning it will just keep on going until you close it. So now it is selected there, and I will present, and you will see it will not stop after 5 seconds. It will keep on going. And now you can do the presentation as I'm doing right now, and then it will be just keep on going. Hello there, and the animation on the back is going on. So it's much more fun than just using plain old PowerPoint slides, right? I mean, nothing wrong with PowerPoint slides. I love them, but I think Canva is much more fun, right? You can bring your presentation to life. Now, let's say if I don't want to use this one, I want to create some other kind of graphics. You can pretty much take anything and put it there. But if you want to put a video also, you can just select any video, and like I said, what you can do, let's say if I want to put this one, same thing, right? You're not seeing the back, so you can just bring the opacity down or transparency, and you can bring that down, and it will be keep on going on the back, right? So it's fun, I think. You can be creative, you can use your imagination and then put whatever you want. I think it brings a lot of fun, and it brings your slides to life. Something like this going on the back, right? I think it's fun. So this is how you pretty much do it. And make sure when you are using some sort of animation or video, make sure you come here, and the playback side, you need to check this one. Otherwise, while you are presenting, it will just stop after this 7.6 seconds. So make sure you take care of that, and you will be on your way. Let's have fun, create some awesome presentation, especially if you're creating course. I would highly encourage that you use Canva for your presentation slides. But let's say if you're not creating a course, but you have a job or something, you can actually make money creating presentation for other companies as well, and that's an idea. You can start looking into it. You can do some freelancing, and you can bring some extra cash, right, by creating these kind of slides with PowerPoint. Not PowerPoint, by using Canva, and people will love it. I'm telling you. I'm not sure about you guys. What do you think of it? But I absolutely love it. Let me know what do you think about this technique. So I hope you are gonna use this technique whenever you are doing presentation next time, and let me know if you need any help. That's all. Thank you so much. See you on my next video. Bye bye.